Hi, this is Jane. Welcome to my kitchen. You know, we're all stuck at home right now, and I know the number one question that everybody's asking, what am I gonna make tomorrow? What am I gonna make tonight for dinner? The next day, the day after, and the next week? It's frustrating, but I am here today because I've got a quick, easy recipe, very kid-friendly, that I'm gonna share with you. But, can I be honest with you? I'm a brave, brave woman, and I can't believe I agreed to do this video. I haven't had my hair cut in 2 months. I haven't had my hair highlighted in 2 months. Now, what I'm seeing is dark roots, and I should be seeing blonde roots. I know, get over it. Suck it up, Jane. I will. I just had to whine a little bit, have some fun with it, because what else can you do about it? Now we're gonna go back to cooking. Okay, here's what I did. It's a lasagna casserole dish, okay? What I did is I fried up my hamburger, a pound of hamburger, and I put in some chopped onions, and I put in some salt and pepper, but I gotta share this tool with you. This is my new best friend. You don't have to have one, but I'll tell you what, I love it. You know, as a kid, I hated big chunks of meat, hated it. And especially when it came to hamburger, right? This little tool, all you do is you just smash it. And what happens is the hamburger gets to be about little pieces like this, and you can see it. And I love it. And you know what, especially with the kids, they don't always like that texture, that big chunk. So this is the tool to get if you wanna fix that. Okay, another little thing I wanna show you. I also added garlic to it. Now, I love garlic cloves because I think it gives it a stronger flavor of that garlic and a better flavor to it, but I'm gonna show you a little quick tip. Some of you already know it, but for the ones that don't, you know, we always have this skin that's around it. It's kind of hard little skin. How do you get rid of that? How do you peel it? I'm gonna show you a quick, easy way. All you do is take the knife and make sure the knife is faced that way, and all you're gonna do, you're gonna keep your fingers up, you're gonna smash it. You're gonna do the same thing, smash it. By smashing it, it just breaks that skin open and peels off so easy. Look at that. It's all cleaned off. That's how easy it was. And I just wanted to share that little tip with you. Okay, now we're gonna get into the recipe. I cooked the medium-sized shells already, and it's 3 cups of cottage cheese. Okay, and we're gonna stir that in. Then I took 2 eggs and I beat the eggs. Stick that in there. And then we gotta have some Parmesan cheese. Okay. And then I wanna add a couple tablespoons of dried parsley flakes. So we're gonna mix that all in there, which is pretty darn easy. Get that all mixed up. And then what I want to do is I want to add some shredded mozzarella cheese. And I'm going to add 3 cups. So here's 2 of the cups. Get that in there. And you can see it's a pretty easy recipe. Okay, and then I've got I've got 2 cups in here, so I'm just going to do about a cup. So a total of 3 cups of mozzarella. And just mix it up, is I'm gonna take my pan, and I did spray it, and we're going to just drop it in there. Now this makes a large recipe. It actually says serving for 8. Get 2 different pans. I would put everything together, bake one for dinner tonight, and then the other one, don't bake it, but just freeze it, cover it and freeze it. Okay, so now we're gonna add the meat mixture to it. Okay. Okay, got my meat in there and I just top that there. And then I've got a 24-ounce bottle of spaghetti sauce that I'm just going to smear over the top of it. go. That's all you do. That's the recipe. Now what we're gonna do next is I'm gonna pop it in the oven, 350 degrees, and we're gonna cook it for 45 minutes. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out, and this cup of cheese that I have left, I'm gonna sprinkle over the top of it, cook it another 10 minutes in the oven, and then it'll be ready to taste. Okay, the lasagna casserole is complete. Put it on a plate, add a couple breadsticks, make sure you serve your favorite bottle of wine, and you're ready to go for tonight. Hope you enjoy, and we'll see you soon.